Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. In this video, we will add the cloud prefabs and we will write one program to move the cloud prefabs towards the aeroplane model. Okay, so when the webcam detects the aeroplane image target, you will see an aeroplane model flying above these cloud prefabs and both of them will be coming towards each other. So let's start with the cloud prefab customization. Now for adding the cloud models inside a scene, we will first download some cloud assets. So I'll click on the Asset Store tab. If the Asset Store tab is not available over here, then you can click on Windows and then you can click on the Asset Store option from here. So with the Asset Store loaded, inside the search field I'll type cloud. Now the cloud asset which we are looking for is free, so I'll click on free only. After this I'll scroll down and as you can see, this is the cloud asset which I'll be using, that is 3LE low poly cloud pack. So I'll click on it and as the name suggests, this asset is a low poly asset. So I'll import this cloud asset inside my project. So I'll click on the import button. After this I'll again click on import. So I guess the cloud asset is imported inside my project. Next I'll click on the assets folder. So as you can see, the 3LE low poly cloud pack asset is imported inside my project. Next, I'll click on the scenes folder. After this, I'll open this folder. Next, I'll open the prefabs folder. And as you can see, we have a total of 10 different cloud prefabs. Okay. So if I click on all the cloud prefabs, then you can see the preview on the right hand side in the inspector panel. And out of all these cloud prefabs, I'll be selecting this Clouds Cumulus G2 prefab. So I'll drag this cloud prefab inside my scene. Okay. So I have dragged the cloud prefab and the cloud prefabs are not visible mainly because the scale of this cloud prefab is way too big. Okay. So next let's reduce the scale of this cloud prefab. But before that, as you can see, this is the cloud prefab and these are image targets. Okay, so the image targets are looking way too tiny in front of these cloud prefabs. Okay, so next I'll select the cloud prefab, I'll select the scale tool and I'll reduce the size of this cloud prefabs. I'll again double click on them. Okay, I need to reduce the size a little bit more. Okay, now as you can see, the axis of the cloud prefab is a bit tilted. The y-axis of this cloud prefab is a bit tilted like this. So I'll just change this to 0. So now the x, y and z axis are pointing correctly. After this, I may need to reduce the size a little bit more. And after reducing the size of this cloud prefabs, next I'll place these cloud prefabs near our aeroplane model. Okay. Now I'll make sure that the aeroplane model is above the cloud so that we can see the aeroplane model flying properly. Okay. And next I'll make this Cloud Cumulus G2 prefab a child of the aeroplane image target so that we can see the cloud prefabs as well when the aeroplane image target is detected. So after making the cloud prefab a child of the aeroplane image target, next I'll click on the play button and let's see whether we are able to see the clouds or not. So as you can see, I have my aeroplane over here and we have the clouds below our aeroplane model. Okay. Now guys, after adding these cloud models, next let's attach the move script to these cloud models so that the cloud models move in this direction. Okay. That is, the cloud models move in the x direction. So basically our aeroplane will move from the right side to the left side and our cloud models will move from the left side to the right side. Okay, so I'll click on Ctrl Z so that the aeroplane and the cloud move to their respective position. After this, as I said, I'll open the data files folder. Next I'll open the scripts folder and I'll attach the move script to the Cloud Cumulus G2 prefab. So as you can see, the move script is attached to the Cloud Cumulus G2 prefab. And inside this, I'll make a change in the x-axis, okay, as I want to move the aeroplane in the x-axis, okay. But if you look very carefully, this is the center of, okay, I'll zoom in a little bit more. this is the center of your X, Y and Z axis, okay? And if you look over here, then our X-axis arrow is pointing in this direction, okay? So this direction stands for positive values, and this direction, okay, that is, we can't see any arrow towards this direction, so this direction stands for the negative X value, okay? So the direction towards the left hand side represent positive X value, and the direction towards the right hand side represent the negative X value, okay? Now if you look very carefully, since our aeroplane is moving in this direction, so what I can say is the aeroplane is moving in the positive X direction. But since we want to move the clouds in this direction, so that means we want to move the clouds in the negative X direction. So to move the cloud towards the plane, I'll change the X-axis from 0 to maybe 0.3, but before 0.3 I'll add a minus sign over here, okay, so that the clouds move in the negative X direction, that is this direction, okay. So after making these changes, next I'll click on the play button and let's see whether our clouds are moving or not. So guys, as you can see, the aeroplane model and the cloud model are both moving in the respective direction, that is, they both are moving towards each other, okay. But if you look very carefully, the scale of this cloud prefab is a little big, so I'll come out of play mode and next I'll reduce the scale of the cloud models, okay. And guys, you can also customize the position of these cloud prefabs, because if I click on the triangle and if I open the Cloud Cumulus G2 prefab, then inside this Cloud Cumulus G2 prefab, as you can see, we have 7 different clouds, okay. So these are 7 different clouds and you can customize the position of each cloud by selecting them, and you can move them anywhere you want. So as you can see, I'm just selecting these random clouds from the Cloud Cumulus G2 prefab and I'm positioning them as per my choice, okay. So after this, I'll again click on the play button and let's see the final output. So guys, as you can see, we have the aeroplane model and we are now able to see the entire cloud, okay. That is, the clouds are not getting cropped by display area. So guys, that's it from this video and I'll see you in the next video.